Florida's Attorney General is requesting that the FBI and state law enforcement probe billionaire Michael Bloomberg for paying the outstanding fines and fees of 32,000 convicted felons in Florida so they could regain their right to vote ahead of the November election. In a letter to the FBI and the Florida Department of Law Enforcement dated Wednesday, State Attorney General Ashley Moody wrote that she had looked into the billionaire former NYC mayor's fundraising and personal donation to the Florida Rights Restoration Coalition at the request of Governor Ron DeSantis. The Sunshine State's top law enforcement officer wrote that, after preliminarily reviewing this limited public information and law, it appears further investigation is warranted. Accordingly, I request that your agencies further investigate this matter and take appropriate steps as merited. On Tuesday, it was reported that the former presidential candidate had raised over $16 million for, and donated $5 million to, the Florida Rights Restoration Coalition. Bloomberg's push would benefit ex-cons as part of a 2018 state constitutional amendment allowing felons who have served their time to regain their right to vote. Before they can regain that right, however, they need to pay any fines, fees or restitution. The ex-cons receiving Bloomberg's charity, according to CNN, were all Black and Latino. In a statement to Axios, a representative for Bloomberg said, "The right to vote is fundamental to our democracy and no American should be denied that right. Working together with the Florida Rights Restoration Coalition, we are determined to end disenfranchisement and the discrimination that has always driven it." News of GOP concern over Bloomberg's payment first emerged on Tuesday evening, when Representative Matt Gaetz, R. Florida, remarked that a criminal probe may already be in the works during an appearance on Fox News. The Florida Republican told the network that he had spoken to Moody prior to his appearance on the show about Bloomberg's voter effort in the state. "I believe there may be a criminal investigation already underway of the Bloomberg-connected activities in Florida," Gaetz told Sean Hannity. Under Florida law, it's a third-degree felony for someone to either directly or indirectly provide something of value to impact whether or not someone votes. So the question is whether or not paying off someone's fines and legal obligations counts as something of value, and it clearly does. If Michael Bloomberg was offering to pay off people's credit card debts, you would obviously see the value in that. When you improve someone's net worth by eliminating their financial liabilities, that's something of value. Normally, it would be very difficult to prove that that was directly linked to impacting whether or not someone was going to vote. But they literally wrote their own admission, the Florida Republican argued, referencing a Washington Post report.